What's up everyone, my name is Rishab Gupta. Today we are going to focus on two jump rope tricks. The first one is alternative steps and the second one is boxer steps. So let's begin. Let's check out both of these tricks, beginning with the alternate jumps. In this jump rope trick, you would have to lift your feet higher in the air compared to the boxer step. While in the boxer step, you would have to distribute your weight from one foot to the other, keeping your feet close to the ground. And boxer steps are quite popular in the jump rope community. If you can learn alternative steps, you will be learning boxer steps in no time. First of all, we'll begin with the alternate jumps. To perform alternate jumps, you should know how to perform single foot jumps. To do that, we'll start with the basic jumps, and then while performing basic jumps, we'll lift our left foot up and we'll be able to do single foot jumps. Let me show you how to do it. We'll start with the basic jumps. Lift our left foot high, and that's how we perform single foot jumps. Now you'll be able to do single foot jumps while lifting the left foot. You have to do it lifting the right foot as well. We'll start again with the basic jumps, and this time we'll lift our right foot up like this. So this is the first step, that you should know how to perform single foot jumps on the both sides, on the left foot, on the right foot as well. And the second step, we'll create a routine in which we'll perform basic jumps 3 times, and then we'll perform single foot jumps on the left side and alternate to the right side, and we'll perform single foot jumps on the right foot. Let me start. We'll start again with the basic jumps, perform it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now this is the second step in which you will be able to perform single foot jumps on the both sides, and you will make a habit to alternate from one foot to the other. In the third step, we'll reduce the count to 1, and then we'll be able to perform alternate jumps. Let me show you how to do it. We'll start again with the basic jumps, but this time we'll alternate on the 1 count. And like this, you will be able to perform alternate jumps. Now alternate jumps are quite easy to perform. All you need is practice. In the fourth step, we'll learn how to perform boxer steps. Now in the boxer steps, we have to keep our feet close to the ground. So we'll change the style to perform single foot jumps. Let me show you what I mean by that. We'll again perform single foot jumps, but this time we'll not lift our left foot too high from the ground. We'll again start with the basic jumps and perform single foot jumps like this. As you can see that my left foot was quite close to the ground, but I was able to perform single foot jumps. Similarly, we have to do it on the other side. We'll start again with the basic jumps and perform single foot jumps, lifting our right foot up. We'll start again, and now we'll lift our right foot up like this, and we'll be able to perform single foot jumps on the both sides, but this time our foot are quite close to the ground. Now in the fifth step, we again create or work on the same routine, performing alternate jumps, but this time our feet will be quite close to the ground. We'll again start with the basic jumps, perform single foot on the left side, and then alternate, and then perform it on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now in the final step, we'll just reduce the count to 1, and we'll be able to perform boxer steps. Let me show you. We'll start again with the basic jumps, and we'll just reduce the count to 1, and gradually you will be able to refine it further to perform boxer steps. Guys, I hope you find this video useful. I'll see you next time.